Good morning, gentlemen. Just to introduce myself to the new members here today, I'm Dilshan Pereira, CIO of Howard Qatar. The objective of this presentation is to seek approval for implementation of BYOD environment in our establishment and to receive funding support. This presentation will consist with the major sections in screen now. To help you make an informed decision, I will be presenting you both general and detailed information including its potential benefits. BYOD is an IT innovation commonly known as bring your own device, which allows you to bring your own laptop or mobile device to workstation. What we are planning to achieve from BYOD is mainly increase productivity through user satisfaction and reduce capital expenses. Other than the benefits I have mentioned in the previous slides, utilization of up-to-date data technology, real-time job implementation can be highlighted as other benefits. BYOD has to be managed with proper tools in order to avoid risks such as security risks, data ownership issues, and loss of general control. Reviewing the financial viability of the project, following favorable points are visible. The cost of the capital is 10% and the net present value would be USD 3.53 million. We consider this as a viable investment since there is a positive NPV. Investment in the project also be considered as viable based on the high IRR of 19.84. The NPV would be negative only when the rate goes beyond this hurdle. Payback period on these assumptions is little over 3 years, which is acceptable. Profitability index shows 1.36, which is attractive. Now I am going to talk about the sensitivity analysis, which is crucial for financial decision. In the base case, as per the current market projection, the payback period is less than the product life. In the scenario 2, which is benefits increased by 25%, net present value increases up to 13.4 million and IRR jumps to 46.1%. And the payback period reduces a little over 2 years, and the profitability index also increases up to 2.35%. In scenario 3, where the cost increase by 25%, net present value goes negative as well as IRR, and the payback period will be over 5 years, and the profitability index will be 0.56, which is not acceptable. As I mentioned before, BYOD and its associated benefits, it is a commonly known must-do factor in the modern marketplace. Renowned large accounting firms and other large establishments embracing BYOD, showing the necessity of survival in the competitive market. In order to cope up with BYOD associated risks, it is a must to develop a comprehensive network security policy and strong BYOD virtual desktop infrastructure and MDM system is required. Pioneers of BYOD and device management systems providers and their services are ClearPass from Aruba Networks, Windows Intune from Microsoft, Cloud Experience Solution set from Dell Incorporation, BYOD Smart Solution from Cisco. Considering the advantages mentioned above and highly viable financials, it is highly recommended to implement BYOD in our firm with a reputed service provider. In Qatar, Cisco Systems and Consolidated Gulf are the market leaders in BYOD infrastructure providing. It is also recommended to start up with a pilot program in order to observe and fine-tune possible disorders. And finally, I strongly recommended to commence BYOD pilot program on 2014 first quarter. Thank you for your time and consideration.